By the time John came, his friends blank everything for the birthday surprise. Prepared, were preparing, had prepared, have been preparing. Again, ang clue nyo dyan, this one. Ibig sabihin yan, before the time na dumating si John. Itong action na to, yung hinahanap natin. Nakapaghanda na sila. Itong paghahanda na to na action, nauna siya before dumating si John. So, meron tayong earlier past dito. Action na nangyari prior to another past action. So, sa mga hindi na bago dito, alam niyo nang sasabihin ko kapag prior to past, ibig sabihin past perfect. So, past perfect ang gagamitin natin. At ang formula ng past perfect ay had plus past participle. So, alin ba dito? Ang had plus past participle, letter C. Had prepared. Nakapaghanda na sila ng lahat ng gagawin sa surprise before pa dumating itong isu-surprise nila. So again, pag meron kang dalawang past actions at yung isa na unang mangyari sa isa pa, gagamit ka dito ng past perfect.